sounded sweet. Gotta love that rumble in the jungle. Good morning again, adventure seekers. Orcutt Donut Derelicts. For Sunday morning, corner Clark and Bradley. Bring what you got. Motorcycle, bicycle, car, truck. We don't care. We just want to see it. Enter for free. Might win something at 10 o'clock here. Bring what you got. We want to look. It is 37 business coupe. Built from the ground up. It was a Hulk before this. Now it's a beautiful machine. 350 stroker. That raised Camaro. Another hot looking machine. Let's see what we got hiding out over here on us. The Netherlands. This one good looking. Machine right there. Love that. Orange and white racing stripe. No problem with that one. Look good in anybody's garage. Z28. If you want to do some serious adventure, get yourself a Swedish Swiss Army knife. The Pinsgauer. Ooh, love this thing. Take you where you want to go. Snow, mud, we don't care. It will get you there in style. Got a little Impala, Chevy Impala action over here. People are still cruising on in for that time change. A little bit of chill in the air. It'll take me a while to get up, but sure we'll have a decent turnout. Action. Oh, check out the inner workings of this beast. No wonder it sounded so good. Full roll cage. All the gauges you want. Yowza.
Oh, yeah.
Love the looks of that thing. You gotta roll in and roll out. Youngsters with the Ricky Racers. Toyota. Scion. And the Subaru. Canyon Road machines. Corvette. Good. Like that. Transport Edition. LS3. Got the Honda boys out here. Take double overhead cam Hondas. Strip them down and let them cruise. Looks like fun. Nice looking vintage Volkswagen Beetle. Look at that. Really pretty color. Nice details. Liking it. And good looking 48 Chevy. Convertible Fleet Master. Cruising style with this baby. Nice restoration. It's all original. Liking it. Another deluxe machine. If you can't afford a car, get yourself 85 mile an hour mini bike. Think you'll do it. Strap something exciting between your legs, man. And one of my favorites, T-Bag. Love that exposed engine look. Digging it. Need to get me one. Beautiful ride. Another old school cruiser. Tina Chevy machine. Oh, sorry about that. They're out today. Bring them out of the woodwork. Good. Dodge Brothers. Look at that. Interesting looking ride. Old school cool. Right there. 37. Yowza. 1956 Chevy Apache. Oh, that color. Looking good. Oh, they're showing up now, folks. Looking good. 340 Magnum. Liking that. Nice looking ride. Looks like fun. Who's not in? Austin Healy. 2015 slingshot. Get you where you need to go in style. That's for sure. Fun little machine. Pick you up one or two, his or hers even. I'm liking these. Good. They're showing up. Monte Carlo action. The Caballero. Buick. We're getting out here. Chevy action. Look at that. SS Impala. One of my favorite trucks, the Fleet Side. Morning. Can hear it rumbling in. You make a presence with this thing. Apache action. People love the hood ornament. Classic. Good looking El Camino right here. Another nice restoration on this baby. Like it's ready for a little street racing too. And then the Bel Air. The black and white Bel Air machine. Another Steve creation. Oh, nice intake on this thing. It's not messing around. He wants to get with it. Look at that. Good job, Steve. See what else we got going on around here. The old Ford Ranger pickup truck. The Tina machine. Ford 250, heavy duty. Still get some work out of it. Drive some old school cool. One of my favorites. Talk about an exposed engine meanness. We're still waiting to see that second engine on there.
It's coming.
I know, you got to call me up when you do it. I want to come help you just so I can watch the madness. Watch the transformation. Like the Frankenstein brought back to life. The wheelie bars. This thing's rad. That thing is nuts. I love it. Beautiful Chevy 3100. Thing also built from the ground up. Every piece of it's been dialed in. Got the trucks out, that's for sure. 59 F100. Battleship gray with the pinstriping. Nice touches on it. Fat iron threads. Classic machine. God, I love this truck. It is sweet. What's we got going on around here? Fury. Fabulous Fury.
I pulled mine in and I just roughed it up.
Oh, one good. Look at Dodge. 392. Liking that. It's one good looking machine. Love that. Exotic paint job. Little Volkswagen truck. One bad 392. Even got the airbag action on that thing. Cool. Old school VW truck. Highly collectible. Alright, let me hear that beast. Play safe with that thing, man. No texting and driving. Alright, Ford Mustang action. Nice little ride. Ready for fun. Liking it. What else we got? USSS Repo. SS 4-door. 80,000 original miles on this thing. No, 8,000. I'm sorry. What am I talking about? 1966. Nova. Barn Find Machine. The Beatnik Mobile snuck in on me. Gotta make sure I get this one. How's that shifter knob? Beatnik action. Purple people eating machine. Beatnik's a Coolsville. Yeah, good. Love this ride.
Oh, thank you so much.
I know, man. Stylish.
Have a lot of fun with it.
I know. It's just nice looking truck. Yeah. Good job on the net. 57 for Vic. Green Chevy machine. Convertible Camaro action. Look at that. What a nice looking El Camino. What we got going on over here today. Rides are out. Getting a little bit late to start, but they're showing up in force now. 1939. Want something fast? It's a beautiful Corvette there, man. Nice. That one yours? Oh, you lucky dog. Yeah, it's a beautiful machine, dude. Good choice. Did you get it in Buellton? Alright, Mustang action here. Looking good. 289. Nice restoration on it.
What engine do you know?
Austin Healey 100. Nice red and black. Gotta love that color combo. Looks like a fun machine right there. Another Chevy Impala. Highly desirable machines. Camaro SS 396. That. Showing me to the Z28, but Corvette snuck in on me over here. With the red pinstriping. Looks pretty nice. You know, rolling in. Hey! Good, man. Peeking at some fine looking machines here.
Yes, sir.
Man, it's keeping this thing clean.
St. Louis yesterday?
Yeah, it's over there, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
56. Yeah, that's a nice looking one too. Bel Air. Another nice looking Bel Air. Silver and black action. Look at that. Old school Ford. Need a machine gun with this one. Nice Camaro. Ford actions. Subaru. 1951 Mad Bombers. Pontiac 8. That. I like that hood ornament. All right, taking off. Don't leave so soon. I'm liking it, man. The Frankenmobile. All right, what are you characters up to this time? What'd you bring out here for us?
93 Miata.
93 Miata. Looks like it's ready for action. Give me Fox and Canyon Road. Really? You guys going there right now?
We're going up to the San Padres after this.
Okay, cool.
Some wild combos.
Mopar Magnum. I showed this to you already, but it's worth a second look. All right, gonna go over here and get the ice. Barracuda Special. Mopar Performance. Recarburation action. Love the looks of this ride. All right, the Toad. The Toad is alive. Ready for wheelie bar action. The Manx Toad. Definitely a classic. Good looking machine. That good looking Camaro LSX. Nice. Got lowered, nice rims and tires. Beautiful orange. Nice. Alright, adventure seekers. Do you need an ice cream truck? We got one for you. What a radical transformation. Man, that thing is sweet. La Madonna. Man. Super custom, huh? That paint job.
Get off. You gotta get off.
Nice. Dude. Sweet looking 69 Camaro. And we got the pre-runner. Just don't park it wrong. Pre-runner action. Liking it. Ready. Tacoma time. Liking it. 1947. Chevy Casper Mobile. Throwing 350 V8 in that thing. Get you where you want to go in style and dependable at the same time.
Nice.
Yeah, it's got a nice ride there. Buick over here, looking good. Good looking Chevy convertible. Liking that. Dialed in. Nice restoration on that one. And the little Amigo. If you don't have any friends, get yourself a little Amigo. It will hop and it will pop and it'll get you where you want to go in style. A little bit of everything on this. Radical paint job, that's for sure. Cruising machines here. They got the patina truck. Chevy C10. Like he's tricking it out. Getting it ready for some racing action. Alright, adventure seekers, get yourself down here, corner of Clark and Bradley, every Sunday unless it's pouring rain. Want to see what you got? Bring it on out. Already taking off in that fancy Corvette. Alright, man, keep it under 100. Challenger 392 SRT. Scat Pack. It's a good looking ride. Sounds good too. Check out the inner workings of this beast here. Dude, look at that. Nice looking Camaro. No problemo. All right. Leaving a little early in the Plymouth Fury. The Furious Fury. Another Honda snuck in on me. Classic S2000. High revving Honda craziness. Not LA, not the Bay. Another good looking one for 1935. That is one fun looking ride. Right, go 700 horsepower and an SRT Cherokee and see what happens. Looking good. Racing action here. Check out those seats. Nice. Liking it. It's a good looking ride. I'll tell you what. That. New Jersey. Garden State. That is one sweet Looking right. Ford V8. Good looking bed on this thing. Eric with the Camaro is in timeout. You can walk around, Eric. We'll let you. The Camaro back in action. Goodbye. Right, adventure seekers. Here's how you drive your own adventure. Oh yeah. Sounding good too. Sounding good. Quite the view too. Quite the view from the fleet liner. Okay, no wheelies now. All right, Venture Mobile.